let me offer you some refreshments. Do you know what these are? Capezzoli di Venere, nipples of Venus. They're Roman chestnuts in brandied sugar. Try one. Go on, try one. They're quite surprising.
They're wonderful. Thank you very much, Your Excellency.
Don't keep calling me that. Keeps me at such a distance. I wasn't born a court composer, you know. I'm from a small town. Just like your husband. Are you sure you can't leave this and come back again?
It's very tempting, sir. But it's impossible, I'm afraid. Wolfgang would be frantic if he found those were missing. You see, they're all originals.
Originals?
Yes, sir. He doesn't make copies.
These are originals?
Mm-hmm.
Astounding. It was beyond belief. These were first and only drafts of music. But they showed no corrections of any kind. Not one. He had simply written down music already finished in his head. Page after page of it, as if he were just taking dictation.
And music. Finished as no music is ever finished. Displace one note, and there would be diminishment. Displace one phrase, and the structure would fall. It was clear to me. That sound I had heard in the Archbishop's palace had been no accident. Here again was the very voice of God. I was staring through the cage of those meticulous ink strokes at an absolute beauty.
Is it not good?
It is miraculous.
Oh, yes. He's very